Today we're going to talk about some wood joints being made with hand tools. We're going to take everything that we've learned in previous videos about measurement, the hand tools, the wood joints, safety, parts to a board, and terminology. And we're going to take all that information, roll it into one, and use that to create these wood joints with hand tools. So you'll learn how the hand tools are to be used, how to lay it out, so on and so forth. So I have 5 of these that I will be going over with you. The first one is the miter. So for the miter, you will need 2 blocks cut at 45-degree angles, which is done on the miter saw, which you'll learn about later. You will need a nail set, which you've already learned about. Finish hammer, which you've already learned about. You'll need a pencil for marking. You'll need a tape measure for measuring. Actually, I don't think we measure anything on this one. And you're going to need 2 5D finish nails, which I will show to you on a close-up when we get to that point. And you're going to need to use the bench vise. Okay? So, I'm going to move to another camera where you're not going to see me as much as what's going on, but I'll continue to talk and explain the process. So, first thing you would do is get your 2 blocks, take them to the miter saw, cut a 45-degree angle, one to the left, one to the right. And like I said, you'll learn about that when we do the safety on the miter saw. And then come over here and start processing. Okay, start the miter joint. First thing you want to do is take one of your blocks that you have 45 on and put a pencil line down the center of it. The reason for that is when we put our finish nails in, if we put the nails in a straight line, the wood has a tendency to split, and we don't want to do that. So we want to put one of our nails on one side of the line and the other nail on the other side of the line. So to do that, we put our board into the bench vise, tighten it down. We take a nail, we put it just on the other side of our line, and we drive it in until it just pokes out the other side a little bit. Take your second nail, move over to the other side of the line, put it in until it just pokes out a little bit. To show you what I mean, you can see where those nails are just poking out a little bit. Take your second piece, put it into the bench vise, tighten it. Now we're going to use those nails that are poking out right here to help hold it, and we want the point to be over a little bit because as you hammer this in, it wants to slide down with the 45. So we're going to use those nails to push it in to help hold it. We want these surfaces flush, the point sticking over a little bit, and then we're going to start driving these nails in. Okay? Try to do one nail at a time, not both of them. I put these a little close together, so when you get there, you can see at the last second when I'm making these tight that the point is going down, and now it's even. These are flush, and that's good. You then want to take the nail set, put on top of these nails, and set them just below the wood surface. So, we have our miter joint complete. You can see the nails, they're offset so the wood didn't split. This is flush and tight. This is flush and tight. The point is even. That is how you would put a miter joint together in this situation. So as you can see, we just completed the miter joint, and we're going to move on to the next wood joint.